In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Lark sheet. If you've ever needed to quickly collaborate with teammates or simply let someone view your data without giving them full control, link sharing is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through each step and explain what each setting means so you can share confidently and safely. Start by opening your Lark sheet. Make sure you're in the exact file you want to share and give it a quick scan to confirm it contains only the information you intend to distribute. This is a good moment to double-check tab names and any sensitive notes or draft content. Look to the top right of your screen and click Share. This button opens the sharing panel where all the access controls live. Think of it as the command center for who can see, comment on, or edit your sheet. Next, turn on link sharing. When you enable this, Lark creates a unique link that you can give to others. With link sharing on, you don't have to add people one by one. Instead, the link itself carries the access you choose. Keep in mind that anyone who has this link will be able to open the sheet according to the permission you set, so treat the link like you would any other important resource. Now choose a permission level. View only lets people look at the content without making any changes. Perfect for reports, dashboards, or finalized summaries. Comment allows viewers to leave feedback, questions, and suggestions without altering the actual data, which is ideal for reviews and approvals. Edit grants full editing capabilities, enabling collaborators to modify cells, formulas, and structure, best for active teamwork where multiple people need to contribute. Pick the option that matches how you want others to interact with your sheet. Click Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard with the permission you just selected. If you change the permission afterward, copy the link again to make sure you're distributing the most up-to-date access. Finally, send the link to others. Paste it into your team chat, email, or project space with a short note explaining what the link is for and what level of access they have. Clear context helps people know exactly how to engage with your sheet. Remember, anyone with the link can access the sheet based on the permission you set. Share it only with people you trust, and if your needs change, you can come back to this panel to adjust permissions or turn link sharing off. That's all it takes to share a Lark sheet quickly and securely.